Here's a quick video on a pair of rebuilt Redwing Irish Setters. These are waterproof. They've really kept my feet dry over the years. All the stitching is held up pretty well on these, so I didn't have anything done to the outside. But since it was such a good boot and they've held up so well, I had the inside completely rebuilt. So if you have a pair of old boots and you spend a lot of money on them, and they're made by Redwing, and probably some other manufacturers too, but you can take these back and in 4 weeks time they can rebuild these things on the inside with new cushioning, new padding on the back, new padding down here on the bottom, and they'll put new strings in for you. And I'll tell you that when I got them back, they were oiled with new strings and feel like they're new again. So it's a great boot and a great way to renew your boot.